And now on to our COVID heroes versus villains segment. There are two videos now on your screens. Let's bring those up for you. On the left one is from Srinagar in Jammu and Kashmir, where Army dedicated a 50-bed COVID hospital to the citizens. It has 10 ICU beds with ventilator support, 20 dependency unit beds with oxygen support, 20 oxygen beds for efficient management of the patients. Now on the right-hand side of your screens, visuals from Sardar Hospital in Kaimur in Bihar, where thousands of women gathered to apply for the post of medical nurse and staff after the government announced to hire more frontline workers to meet the demand. Everyone in the crowd can be seen jostling each other. There is no sign of social distancing whatsoever, and few can also be seen without masks. We're submitting to a very short commercial break.